guys, Mr. Shingen, and I'm going to show you a video of me building this plane. It's a replica of the plane that I flew, and I made a video about it, and I made a video of me flying it, and I posted it on YouTube, but not on this channel. On my other channel, I put it in a link in the description. The other channel is on my dad's house channel, the channel that I post on my dad's house. This is the channel I post on my mom's house. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy my speed build, guys. Bye, guys. Hi, it's Mr. Shingen, and I'm back with this build. I finished building, and I did not copy this from anything. I just did it in my mind. This is because this is a replica of the plane that I flew. Oops, sorry, a piece just broke. And I made this with my own Legos. So let's start with the wheels. So the wheels, it was kind of hard to make the wheels because I had to make it like a good style and to make it balanced. Because before it was just like this. It was perfectly stable, but it kept on falling like this. So I had to make this wheel the same size. I kept this wheel the same, and I had to keep on making these wheels more longer, and so it can make it stay still like that. See, guys? And the propellers, I made like big and long, so it cannot fly like this right here. But if you guys lift it up, you guys can spin it. It doesn't spin. That's very well, because it's. I have these slabs over here, and after the spin, I'm trying to get it. Oh, and it's just everything. Yeah, this. I hope you guys can see it. The gray part right there it's a little longer, so it's gonna be getting bumpy right there, and it's just gonna get stuck. I don't know why it didn't spin correctly, so I switched over to a different one and still spin correctly. So I just took it out of here, and it spun correctly, put it back in, and it didn't spin correctly until I realized it was because of the bumps right there. And this can fit 3 Lego people inside. It's supposed to fit 4 in a real one. I tried making it fit 4 of them, but it was a little bit too hard, so I only made it to fit 3. So this is how to take the hatch off. Oh wait, yeah, oh yeah. To take the hatch off, let me try to take this off too. Boom. That, and then I just takes this off from here. And these are the 3 people. But before I show the people, there's also those right here. It isn't just stuck, but yeah, it can open. See, it just broke right there. But yeah, it can open up. Right there. And on the other side too, it can open up. We're going to open up for us. There we go. It can open wide up. It can open up wider, but that's just it for now. And so right here. So first, I'm tell the people. So right here. Okay, I'm trying to make it. So it has this. It's supposed to have 2 of these, of 2 like steering wheels, so people can drive it. But I couldn't find enough piece of that, so I only made 2. I made 1, and it has like these communication things. And this Lego, you can see some cracks and like crack stuff right there. So it cracked a little bit. And yeah. So yeah, guys. And then after that, what did I say? Sorry, I was supposed to fix this. Oh yeah. So it also has like these 2 holes right here, like for the engine on how it's supposed to be, and there's another hole in the bottom right here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there for the engine, guys. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.